Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Doing It. I am in the mood to make something great today. I am doing a DIY. So you will need a glue stick, of course, scissors, some extra glue sticks, and diamond bling wrap, which I purchased from Walmart because my local Dollar Tree has not had these in stock for a while, and I can't find my bling wrap bag that I keep all my wraps. So I just went and got this real quick. And today we are going to bling out a just plain Walmart toilet brush cleaner. Now I've seen these at Home Goods, Ross, any, nice home decor store. And these range with the bling wrap maybe about $15 to $20. So I said I'm going to give a hand and just create my own. So I just purchased a plain white one from Walmart, less than $4. So let's get started. Because everything in your bathroom has to be fabulous. So it's just a plain brush, but I like these because you just stick it back down in there. You can put bleach in this, and when you pull it out, your Lysol disinfectant, whatever, inside of your container. So what we're going to do today, I'm just going to bling out this part, and I will be doing the handle. Hopefully in this one pack I will have enough. Alrighty. So I'm gonna turn it upside down. Oh yeah, this is gonna be more than enough. Just going to measure the pieces that I need. Like this line right here. I'm going to go off camera, slice several of these, and I'll be back. Okay, so I cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices, I call them. Alright, we're going to get started. Very simple, easy project. Saves you tons of money. You get the same look, but cheaper. Okay. It's pretty cute. Now, if you wanted to go a little bit further, you may want to put some bling wrap down in there, but I think this is just as good because keep in mind, you know, you are cleaning your toilet and you may want to add some bleach or something in here while this is sitting. But yeah, I think this came out pretty good. A fraction of the cost of what you would pay at those high-end stores. Now you can get the stainless steel ones and order like the real bling wrap, the chain link that you may have seen me do some of my DIYs from BB Craft, and that would look good as well. So I hope you like it, and if you like these type of videos, please make sure to hit that like button, leave me a lovely comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and double tap that bell to get notifications when I upload new DIY videos. And as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next DIY video. Bye-bye.